Kasama natin ang nanay ni EJ Obiena and of course one of the founders of the Philippine Pole Vault Club, Miss Coach Jeanette Obiena. Coach, una sa lahat, of course, kamusta na yon si EJ? Alam ko, dito sa Pilipinas siya nag-training for this competition and meron natang susunod na sasaling competition, yung Diamond League. Would you tell us more about sa ating abangan natin kay EJ at yun sa training camp na rin?
So far, nag-training na siya dito sa atin sa Philippines. It's the first ever na nag-camp sila here in Philippines with Coach Vitaly and Hussein, which is training partner. They will be going to China for the 2 Diamond Leagues and hoping after the China they will drop by the Philippines again before they go for the Asian Athletics Championship.
And of course, but hindi talagang competition because sa mga kaarap niyo, of course, alam naman natin si Armando Duplantis and other prominent superstars. Pero of course, kampante naman si EJ with the help of Coach Vitaly, malalampasan niya yung amon niya pagdating niya dito sa pagsasanay natin na ma'am. Ano masasabi niyo rito?
They're doing their best. Of course, he's getting better right now. He's in good shape. After the injury in the Olympics, he's now having the go signal from the doctor for him. So, all out goes yung sila ni Coach Vitaly for the training. And the fingers crossed to have the best at the Diamond.
Lastly, of course, yung ating Philippine Pole Vault Club, tuloy-tuloy naman ang mga activities. Would you tell us more about yun sa mga activities natin?
Yeah, the Pole Vault Club with the clinics, it's going every full year round. We have right now just giving way for those athletes, women athletes who will be participating for ang Katanong Pambansa, which is already a regular event. So we're very, very happy that there are already girls joining the event, and of course, hoping that it will be meeting someone to clear clean meters.
Okay, mensahe na lamang po sa ating mga followers natin.
Well, to all who are listening here right now, we are inviting everyone to join the Philippine Pole Vault Club clinics with Milo. We'll link all of it at the website of the Milo. So come and join and be a part of the Philippine Pole Vault Club.
Alright, Coach Jeanette, maraming salamat and God bless.